Hi guys, it's Willem here from Able Equipment. I'm just going to take you through a quick tutorial on how to use the online worn mold calculator. Basically, your new block, when you buy it, you can put all the dimensions in here. The top one being the length, the width of the block, and then the height of the block, and then the wall thickness of the new mold. When measuring the worn block, you can put in the length over there, the width over there, the height should be the same depending on your product. You can also calculate what savings you get by reducing the height slightly by a millimeter or so. Then the wall thickness would be an average of a couple of measurements and put the average width in there. Then the number of blocks per drop on that line there. The density of the raw material is normally 2.2, but it does vary depending on your aggregate. The raw material weight, a rand per ton of the raw material, excluding the cement. The cost of your cement per bag, then the mix percentage of the cement, in this case 10%, it may vary depending on your mix design, and then the number of drops that you want to calculate. So in this case I've got 10,000 drops. I want to see what losses I'm incurring. In this case it's 16,000 rand. You can also just tab it through depending on what you want to calculate. There you go, have a good day.